Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, your ultimate guide to career success and personal growth. And today, we're exploring an essential skill that can dramatically change your life: reading. Whether you're a student aiming to excel in your studies, a professional looking to stay ahead in your field, or someone who simply loves to read for pleasure, improving your reading skills can open up a world of opportunities. Imagine being able to absorb information faster, understand complex concepts effortlessly, and enjoy the incredible worlds that books can offer. Reading is not just a hobby, it's a gateway to lifelong learning and a key component of personal development. Today, we'll dive into why improving your reading skills is crucial and how it can change your personality and career, and practical steps you can take to become a better reader. So, today I'm going to tell you not only why reading is important and what this skill can do to transform you, but we'll also share an 8 steps template to improve your reading skill. I shall suggest you to please bring in your pen and paper and note down all the steps. Until then, I shall wait for you. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. Now, first, let's get on to importance of reading. Reading is a fundamental skill that goes beyond just decoding words on a page. It fosters empathy, enhances critical thinking, and expands your knowledge base. Consider the story of Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors who attributes a large part of his success to his habit of reading. Buffett spends about 80% of his day reading and believes it's the key to his business acumen and strategic thinking. Many people say to be successful, don't try to reinvent the wheel, just follow the successful people. So, who would not like to be another Warren Buffett? See the power of reading. Moreover, reading helps in personal growth. It broadens your perspective, making you more open minded and understanding of different cultures and viewpoints. When you read, you're exposed to new ideas and ways of thinking, which in turn cultivates a more informed and well rounded personality. In terms of career growth, strong reading skills are indispensable. They enhance your ability to process and understand information quickly, which is vital in today's fast paced world. And whether it's reading reports, analyzing data, or staying updated with industry trends, being a proficient reader can give you a significant edge over your peers. To help you improve your reading skills, I've created an actionable template. Now, follow these steps consistently, and you'll notice a marked improvement in your reading abilities. Now, I am telling you this by my personal experience. So, let's get on to the template. Step 1: set clear goals. Defining your reading goals gives you a sense of direction and purpose. Are you reading to enhance your knowledge in a particular field, improve your language skills, or simply for leisure? Having a clear goal helps you stay focused and motivated. Now, for example, if your goal is to improve your industry knowledge, aim to read one non fiction book related to your field every month. Step 2: create a reading schedule. Consistency is key to forming a reading habit. Allocate specific times for reading each day. It could be in the morning, during lunch breaks, or before bedtime. Find what works best for you and stick to it. And if you find mornings peaceful, dedicate 30 minutes every morning to reading. This ensures you start your day with a fresh perspective. And step number 3: Choose the right material. Selecting reading material that interests you and matches your reading level is crucial. Starting with topics you love makes reading more enjoyable and less of a chore. Gradually, you will move on to more challenging texts. Now, let's say if you are new to a subject, start with popular science books or introductory texts before diving into technical journals. Then, step number 4, active reading strategies. Now, engaging actively with the text improves comprehension and retention. Highlight key points, take notes, and ask questions as you read. Summarizing chapters in your own words and discussing them with friends can deepen your understanding. And for example, after reading a chapter, write a brief summary and discuss it with a friend to reinforce your learning. Then, step number 5, expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary enhances your reading experience and comprehension. Look up unfamiliar words and make an effort to use them in daily conversations. Keeping a vocabulary journal and reviewing it regularly helps in retaining new words. Now, let's say note down new words you come across while reading and review them weekly to ensure they become a part of your active vocabulary. Then, going to step number 6, that is, practice speed reading. Now, speed reading techniques like chunking and minimizing subvocalization can help you read more in less time. Chunking involves reading groups of words together, while minimizing subvocalization means reducing the tendency to silently pronounce each word. For example, use speed reading apps and practice daily to gradually increase your reading speed without compromising comprehension. Then, going to step number 7, join a reading group or book club. Even I have done that. Joining a reading group or book club provides a platform for discussion and accountability. Sharing insights and discussing different perspectives can enrich your reading experience and motivate you to read regularly. For example, find an online book club related to your field of interest and participate actively in discussions. And even I am part of one such club, and I join that club every Sunday. So, and that helps me, read more books, and actually get to interact with other readers and who might have different perspective of the same book. So it's a great learning. Then step number 8, stay organized. Keeping your reading materials organized helps you track your progress and important insights. Use bookmarks, sticky notes, and digital tools to organize your reading resources. For example, use a bookshelf for physical books and apps like Goodreads to track your reading progress and maintain a list of books you want to read. So, to conclude, reading is a powerful tool for personal and career development. By improving your reading skills, you can gain a wealth of knowledge, develop critical thinking abilities, and enhance your overall personality. Remember, it's not just about reading more, but reading effectively. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient reader. So, if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. Now, there's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. I would like to welcome all my dear listeners to connect with me on Instagram every Sunday at 10 a.m. in my program, Open House with Kapil Gupta. And I'm live there. So join me on Instagram to have a heart to heart talk. And if you found value in the podcast, help us reach more listeners by sharing with your friends, family, and colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. So thank you for tuning in to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. Keep reading, keep learning, and until next time, stay curious and motivated.